The Permatex Vinyl and Leather Repair Kit is designed to repair tears, holes, burns, and gashes in vinyl and leather in your home or in your car. The Ultra Series Vinyl and Leather Kit with the black label features a plug-in electric heat tool for ultra-consistent heat that is important for a great repair. The Vinyl and Leather Repair Kit with the blue label includes a wooden dowel heat tool for situations where electricity may not be readily available. Most of the repair process is similar to the Ultra Series kit, but there are unique steps when using the wooden dowel heat tool. We'll show you the specific repair steps for this kit towards the end of the video. The kit contains a selection of grain pattern paper, a piece of cloth backing fabric, a plastic spatula, vinyl repair color compound supplied in 7 different colors, a color matching chart, a tube of adhesive and filler. The Ultra Series Black Label Kit includes a plug-in heating transfer tool. Remember, never apply heat directly to vinyl surfaces. To begin, clean with a strong household cleaner. Rinse thoroughly with a damp cloth before proceeding. Make sure the area is completely dry before starting repairs. Trim off any excess threads with a razor blade or knife. If there is burn damage, trim off any charred material. Next, insert the cloth backing fabric under the damaged area. Cut the fabric slightly larger than the damage and use the spatula to insert it under the damaged area to provide support. Very small cuts, burns, and holes, less than a ½ inch, do not require cloth backing fabric. Select the desired grain patterned paper that is closest to your damaged vinyl. Now, draw an outline of the damaged area on the top side of the grained paper. This will allow you to position the heat tool accurately. Fill the damaged area with the vinyl adhesive and filler using the supplied spatula and allow 4 hours to dry. The adhesive will shrink slightly when dry, leaving a void to be filled with the color repair compound. While the vinyl adhesive and filler is drying, match up the color of your repair with one of the 7 color compounds supplied. If none of the colors match, use the color matching guide to match the color and use small amounts of different colors to match your color exactly. Check the color match by rubbing a small amount of the mixed color onto an undamaged area of vinyl, then remove it with a cloth. Once you've matched the color, mix enough compound to fill the area of your repair. After the vinyl adhesive and filler has dried for at least 4 hours, use the spatula to evenly apply the color compound onto the damaged area. Spread a thin layer of color compound onto the undamaged vinyl and feather the edges to make the surface smooth and even. Correct application of the repair compound is necessary to produce an excellent repair job. Wipe up any excess from around the hole or damage. Do not overfill the damaged area. Filling the surface evenly is very important, and care should be taken to do this properly. Use less repair compound if necessary. It's easy to add more later if necessary. While you are doing this, you should plug in your heating tool to preheat it. Once you have an even surface of repair compound with nice feathered edges, place the grained pattern paper over the wet color compound, making sure your outline is directly over the damaged area. Do not move the paper once it has been placed. Immediately apply the heated tool on the grain patterned paper over the drawn outline. Rapidly rotate the heated tool on the grain patterned paper for 30 to 45 seconds. Do not move the grain pattern paper, and do not allow the heat transfer tool to come in direct contact with your vinyl. For larger areas, you may need to apply heat for a longer period of time. Remove the paper only when it has been completely cooled off, about 3 minutes. If the repaired area is sticky or tacky after cooling, or sticks to the grain paper, reapply the grain pattern paper and apply more heat for about 35 seconds. You should have a seamless repair. If not, check the enclosed instructions for the problems and remedies. The procedure for the vinyl and leather with blue label repair kit is exactly the same as the above instructions, except the vinyl and leather with blue label repair kit uses a wooden dowel for a heat transfer tool. Once you have followed the earlier instructions and have an even surface of repair compound with nice feathered edges, Place the grain pattern paper over the wet color compound, making sure your outline is directly over the damaged area. Do not move the paper once it has been placed. While you are doing this, you should apply heat to the wooden dowel transfer tool using a household iron or cigarette lighter. Preheat the wooden dowel transfer tool for 3 minutes with a household iron on high or 2 minutes using a cigarette lighter. Immediately apply the heated wooden dowel tool on the grain pattern paper over the drawn outline. Rapidly rotate the heated tool on the grain pattern paper for 30 to 45 seconds. This should be repeated 2 to 3 times using the wooden dowel tool. You may have to reheat the wooden dowel transfer tool. Do not move the grain pattern paper, and do not allow the heat transfer tool to come in direct contact with your vinyl. For larger areas, you may need to apply heat for a longer period of time. Remove the paper only when it has completely cooled off, about 3 minutes. You should have a seamless repair. If not, check the enclosed instructions for the problems and remedies. If you have questions about this or any of the Permatex professional repair systems, please visit our website at www.permatexrepair.com. www.permatex.com or call 1-87-PERMATEX.